Be live in a moment.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're live in EuroAsia Scrum. It's Nikita and David here. Nikita, have you any updates?
Just a few quick ones. I recently submitted 3 pull requests, all of them very self-contained and straightforward. One having to do with displaying the user's time zone on the user profile. Another one regarding displaying the start time for an event in the user's local time. And the final one is for including the tiny MCE editor for project descriptions. And one of them got accepted basically right away. The other 2 are still waiting, but I think they should be, like I said, they're very simple and kind of self-contained. There's no complicated logic with any of them, so I think they should go through fairly quickly. I haven't picked anything to work on in the near future yet, and as always, the only thing blocking me is lack of time.
Okay, good. Yeah, that sounds really good. I mean, if I click on closed, we should see the one that's just been accepted.
Yeah,
it should be this
that's the one. Yeah.
One. Yeah. So that's great. That's a lot of stories going through. Were you? I was chatting yesterday. I don't have much to update myself. I think, since the last Scrum, I've been working on some learning, but not been working on Agile Ventures projects. I guess I did merge try to integrate the big spelling change that is proposed as a pull request for local support. Yeah, but that was fairly straightforward. I did try out a new tool called Meld, I think. Let's see. It's new to me. It's not new, but it's like a graphical way of doing of reviewing pull requests. Let's see, where do I get recently used? If I go in here, I can find. Kind of recent changes and so on. But it works really well if you start the merge and then open this up. It will show you step by step which file, and then gives you 3 panes with kind of a graphical red and green, showing you which of the 2 ancestor files your text is coming from, and allows you to choose between each one. And I find that a bit easier than the merge tool in Emacs.
Yeah.
So.
I'm using RubyMine myself, and I find their merge tool is very, very helpful.
Good. Okay. I guess that's all I wanted to say about that. I have not submitted a pull request for that merge, but I've just created a new branch for it on my own repo, because the sooner we get those spelling changes in, the easier, because it's just this change of organization, changing the S to the Z, or the Z to the S. That if I keep writing code that modifies any of those methods, then it gets harder and harder to merge.
Sure.
Right. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, the other thing is, The other thing is that I'll kind of stop the broadcast now, but I've